Since we are opening a PayPal account in Switzerland, first of all we will check Switzerland IP is 100%. If it is not 100%, then I will make it 100% by change your time zone in Poor.net website.
If it is 100% okay, then you can go to PayPal, and PayPal then you can go to Switzerland account. So you can click here. You show this is Europe and Switzerland, and it's okay. Then I want to translate this English. Okay, to register, now register here. Then you can click business. Okay, then next enter your email address. Click here, enter your password. Enter the password, then continue. Business contract, business first name and business last name. Then you click here and enter, search your own country phone number. You can looking here Bangladesh. This is my country. I enter my country phone number.
We will match the first name and last name of our account with our own NID card. After that I will give the address according to our NID card, then I will click on next. Now we will individualize what kind of business we are. Here we will provide online education for products and services. So friends, you can already see that our PayPal account has been created. If you want, you can create your PayPal account at home for free.
Okay, I need to confirm my email address. I just verify my PayPal email. It's already done. Yeah, you know, my PayPal account is ready for use.
So friends, please comment how you like our tutorial videos. If you like it, please subscribe our channel. Comment us if you want to buy 100% verified PayPal account. Inshallah we can give you 100% verified PayPal account safely.